Welcome to Decorlogues. Our decor home today is at HSR layout. The home has a lot of elements to be spoken about. As we enter, we find this beautiful foyer. The little cubes above are topped with lacquered glass. In the living space, the false ceiling again has designer glass embedded along with the jali segment. The mirror segments in the dining room adds up to the beauty of this home. The kitchen has designer glass shutters used for the storage and lacquered glass for the walls. The master bedroom has a theme of blue, with cushioned headboards for the bed and aristo for the wardrobes. The kids' bedroom is quite bright with a musical theme to it. The guest bedroom has high gloss laminates for the wardrobe. We'll be back with more Decorlogues from Decorpot.